Laas naman ka mobile kala ban pentiu kedan ini.
Tablets. So, as we all know, that the shutting down of the school all across the world in the past 2 years, the, as a result, education has changed. It has changed dramatically with the distinctive increase.
Mylliem Presbyterian School, Gorkha Higher Secondary School, and Pablo Higher Secondary School. Before we hand over this tablet to you, I want to give small brief about the scheme. This scheme, which is called the Chief Minister Student Digital Learning Aid MTAP scheme, was launched in the year 2013, 14, 15, 17, 18, and 18, 19. But during that time, we are handing over this tablet to class 12. But when I took over as a minister in charge of IT department, I thought that we have to change the system. Because if we are going to hand over this tablet to class 12, they may use this tablet for just a limited time. So I thought, and I gave my proposal to the department, that this tablet should be given to class 11, so that maximum they will make use of this tablet for 2 years and so on. So I am very happy that my proposal has been considered from the department. So from now on, we will be going to hand over this tablet to class 11 every year. And for your information, for this year, that is 2021-22, we are going to hand over this tablet to 385 schools in the state of Meghalaya, which comprise of 35,250 students in the state of Meghalaya. So this is the initiative taken by the IT department. Why government trying to bring all these schemes? Our objective is that to give the best assistance to all the students, because students, we are the future of the family, the future of the locality, and the future of the state. So the responsibility of the government is to see that we are giving the best service to the people of the state, and especially the students. My dear students, when you are going to receive this tablet, I hope it will benefit you in such a way that it will help you to study in class 11 and in class 12. Because in this tablet, there is a content, there is a syllabus inbuilt in it for class 11 and class 12. The beauty of this tablet is that you don't have to use internet. The syllabus is there in the tablet. You can choose any subject, whether math, science, and English, everything is there in this tablet. No need to connect internet and all. So I urge upon you, don't take this tablet in other way. Make use of this tablet for your own studies, for your own career, because our objective is that we try to help you, we try to give you the best of the best that we have from the government in order to see that our students will come up year by year in flying colors.